Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, now before moving towards our today's lesson, let's talk about previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned some vegetable names and a few vocabulary words. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always go back and watch lesson 18. The link is provided in the description of this video. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's give a look at some vocabulary words first. So we say in English, yes. When we have an affirmative answer, we say yes. And in Urdu, we say ji. That is a polite way of saying yes. And it is better we say ji. Other word which we say for yes in Urdu is haan. Haan. So in English we say yes. In Urdu we say ji, the polite way or mannered way. And we also say haan. So we can say ji or we can say haan if we want to say yes. Then in English we say no, and in Urdu nahi. Then in English we say don't. When we are telling somebody not to do something, we say don't. And in Urdu it is again nahi. Let's repeat one more time. We say yes in English, and in Urdu we say ji and haan. Then in English we say no, and in Urdu nahi. In English we say don't, and that is also in Urdu nahi. So repeat many times for practice and do remember these, okay? Alright. So let's learn to say something in Urdu that are found in garden. So those things that are found in the garden. So first of all, what is garden called in Urdu? In English we say garden, and in Urdu bagh. Bagh. Garden, bagh. Then there is grass in the garden. In English we say grass, and in Urdu it is ghas. Ghas. Then in English we say flower. They are very beautiful flowers found in the garden, right? So we say flower in English, and in Urdu it is phool. Phool. Let's repeat one more time. In English, garden. In Urdu, bagh. In English, grass. And in Urdu, ghas. In English, flower. In Urdu, phool. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now some more things. Tree. There are trees in the garden as well. So in English we say tree, and in Urdu darakht. Darakht. Tree, darakht. Then there are leaves on the tree, or with flowers as well. So we say leaf in English, and in Urdu it is patta. Patta. Then there are beautiful butterflies found in the garden. They're very colorful and beautiful. So in English we say butterfly, and in Urdu it is titli. Titli. Let's repeat one more time. Tree in English, darakht in Urdu, leaf in English, patta. Patta in Urdu. Butterfly in English, and in Urdu, titli. Titli. Repeat many times for practice, alright? Okay, so here let's learn some sentences. Okay, so in English we say this is a leaf. Alright, I hope you do remember when we are pointing at something and that thing is close to us, then we say this. And in Urdu it is ye, right? Okay, so for example, if we say there is one leaf, we say this is a leaf. In Urdu it is ye patta hai or ye ek patta hai. Alright? Okay, also do remember when we are talking about one thing, we say hai. Right? So in Urdu, we identify a singular thing or one thing by the word hai. And if the thing is plural or more than one, then we say hain. Hai for one thing, hain for more than one things. Okay? Alright, so this is a leaf. ये पत्ता है or ये एक पत्ता है. Or if there are many leaves, then we are going to say these are leaves. In Urdu it would be ये पत्ते हैं. These are leaves. ये पत्ते हैं. We can always say that or those, right? Okay, then if there is a butterfly, we are going to say the butterfly is far away, right? So we are going to say that is a butterfly. That is in English. And in Urdu, remember that? Very well. Yes, we say wo. So in Urdu, the sentence would be वो तितली है और वो एक तितली है. Similarly, if there is more than one butterflies, in English we are going to say those are butterflies. In Urdu it would be वो तितलियां हैं. वो तितलियां हैं. Okay, so before we repeat these sentences one more time, just focus on this thing. One leaf is patta. More than one leaves is patte. So leaf, patta, leaves, patte. Then one butterfly is butterfly. And in Urdu it is titli. And if there is more than one butterflies, then it is butterflies. That is in English. And in Urdu it would be titliyan. Now let's repeat these sentences one more time. This is a leaf. ये पत्ता है. These are leaves. ये पत्ते हैं. That is a butterfly. ये तितली है. Or those are butterflies. वो तितलियां हैं. Repeat many times for practice. Alright? Okay, so what is this? Yes, this is a butterfly. ये तितली है. And it is saying goodbye to you for this lesson. So it is the end. I am going to be seeing you into the next lesson, inshallah. Till then, revise well, Do memorize everything. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.